G'day guys, it's Chris from RACT Child Restraints, and the tips and tricks today is how to remove a twist from your harness in your child restraint. So if we have a look at this one here, we can see that there's a twist coming over here on this restraint up over the shoulder. What this means is that it can actually have an effect on the way the harness works, may not work properly, could actually hurt the child or even just not hold strong enough if there was to be an accident. So we want to make sure it's set up properly. So to fix that, all we need to do is locate where the twist is, so it's in the top half, and then come to the back here. On the correct side that the twist is on, just unhook it like that, and then pull it through. Once we pull it through, make sure it's running flat, and then we thread it back through the slots there. Once it's back through the slots, follow the guide on the other side that's done up correctly to get it through, and fold it back on. And it's as simple as that to get one out of the top half. If it was in the bottom half here and this part was still straight, what you'd need to do is fold that part like so. Just pull it over where the twist is to make sure it'll be running straight. You may still need to unhook the top half to get it running completely straight. But otherwise, that's all for undoing the twist in your child restraint. Stay safe and thanks very much.